Hello. I guess technically speaking, I should say welcome back, but what I mean by saying that is welcoming myself back, because the last time I sat down to make any kind of videos was years and years ago. I'm pretty sure one of the last videos I did, I literally said I was gonna go do something so exciting, and I did it, but then I disappeared. Or I should say I disappeared while accomplishing that exciting venture, if you will. So basically I'm here to reintroduce myself. I really want to, I've kind of been craving a creative outlet recently, and I really just, I don't know, I feel like this makes the most sense for what I want to do kind of going forward, and getting to share my love of places and adventures and food and cooking and I don't know, just chit chats. So kind of like that's really where I'm kind of gearing the channel to go now, moving forward in the stage of life that I'm in currently. I'm overall so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. Like, I'm in such a different situation and state of mind than I was when I was last filming and making videos. I know I geared mainly towards makeup previously, which I do enjoy makeup still. It's not to the same level as I used to. I'll always have an appreciation for it, but now my headspace is just slightly different from that. So I really just want to explore and go places and take everybody along for the ride with me there. I filmed a clip at the end of like one of my adventure days that I'm going to insert after this little introduction right now, just to kind of recap on where my head is at currently in life. It's I'm a talker, and I notice that I kind of talk a little slow sometimes. I think because when I get excited I talk really fast and then people don't understand what I'm saying. So this next part will be a little bit slower, but it's truly where my head is at in life currently, and I really just wanted to pop on here and do like initial introduction video before we jump in to all the things that are to come. And I just really am excited for whatever this space it just becomes of what I want to put out. And I just want to thank anybody that is going to sit and watch this video. If you get even through half of it, I think thank you, because I'm pretty sure everybody in the entire world has no idea who I am on here, at least. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip now, but there's gonna be more fun, exciting videos to come. So thank you so much for any of your time, and let's just get right into it. It's so nice. Kind of just recapping on the day-to-day. I, along with pretty much everybody in the world, my schedule is normally so busy. I feel like even my downtime, I really have to try and manage the best that I can so that I feel like I'm getting enough done. So it can be a little hard for me to feel like I'm doing enough, or to sometimes, I think what I've gotten so much better with within the last year is just being fully present. That was something I always struggled with. I used to always think so far in the future and kind of just live for the future, being like, when this happens then I'll be happy, when I accomplish this I'll be in a better, I'll feel more fulfilled. And I think for me, I've come to the realization that every moment you're looking forward to in some way, shape, or form is happening right now. What you're waiting for to be happy for, there's things happening right now that you are missing out on if your brain is thinking so far ahead. And it's just giving me such a sense of peace. It's really delving in like letting those thoughts be in the forefront of my mind. Like, I go outside now and I just look around. I'm so grateful for the trees. Probably sounds silly, but I'm so grateful for the trees, and I'm seeing green. Where I grew up, it was as a desert. So there's green is few and far between. So I remember when we'd go on family vacations growing up, I always loved being places where there was green and by the ocean. It was just a lot more calming and peaceful. And I think now in my adult life and where I'm currently at, just being able to look outside, and especially in the spring, see the flowers bloom and hear the birds and just slow down. I've spent so long trying to speed ahead and be more, do more. I think my thought on what success is also different now, as it should be. I believe that growth should always be a pursuit that's happening currently every single day, and me seeing success in a slightly different way. I mean, I was pretty typical up until not too long ago, thinking that success was what I could accomplish in accolades, if you will, like degrees, job success, job titles, how many things I could have under my belt. Mind you, I will always love learning and I will always love knowledge. That's just who I am. Like, if somebody can teach me something that I find of value, I will listen for hours. And I love that. Like, my brain just turns when I can have an educationally stimulating conversation. I really live for that. But that's not what I define my success on anymore. I'm very proud of what I've accomplished with, my academic career. Very proud of how I try to treat people. And currently, I'm really proud of being able to be myself and how that's able to affect anybody else in a positive way. I say that because with what I do currently for a living and having a team under me that I get the pleasure of working with, I feel fulfilled in that aspect, because I don't look at my team as a number. I really look at them as individual human beings, and I care about them and I want to help them succeed. And that's really where my heart is, in helping people kind of find their passion and what they're good at, and being able to guide them in those ways. I feel for me that's the most fulfilling, because it really allows you to just it helps me develop too, by listening to other people and what they're passionate about, and kind of just being able to observe them. And when they ask about progression, and if they ever ask for constructive criticism, it's just so nice to encounter individuals that really want to grow as well too. So those are the moments that kind of take me full circle back into feeling proud of myself. And that's part of my version of success now, is if I can have somebody that we cross paths and they're able to take away something positive from my presence, or from, I'd rather be a leader than a boss. I mean, is boss my title? I technically yes, but I would rather be a leader, and I think that's really where my head and my focus is at currently. I want people to feel comfortable coming to me and just helping them grow, and then in turn me growing myself. So there's been a lot of good changes since the last time I was sitting down making videos, and I'm so glad. I'm really glad, and I'm excited for whatever the future has, and I'm excited to make some memories, being able to share them on here, whether it's food or fun little adventure days like today, or travels, I just want to make memories, like happy memories, and be able to share fun things. This is going to be a place for, I don't know, just lighthearted goodness. And I just hope that anybody that sits down and takes the time to watch this is able to, I don't know, just kind of zen out and find it enjoyable. And, you know, when I feel, you know, less awkward talking and being on camera again, it'll get better. Just bear with me for a little bit. Hopefully we'll get to a spot where there'll be more, you know, these one-on-ones and just whatever else that comes. I just want it to be a good, positive, light-hearted place. So I think that's where I'm gonna leave you. I'm really glad. Anybody that takes the time to watch this, thank you very much. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and if you're not, I really hope you know that good things are down the road, even if it doesn't seem like that right now. It really is. You're stronger than you know, and in case nobody tells you that, just know that you are. Even if you're the only one telling you, sometimes that's really all you need. If not, I got you. So now you know. Alright, bye.